Hey, football fans, want to make sure you don't miss a single game next season? Today, I'm showing you exactly how to renew NFL Sunday Ticket on YouTube TV so you can keep watching all the action without interruption. Most NFL Sunday Ticket subscriptions with a season pass automatically renew at full price each season using the payment method linked to your YouTube TV account. To check, open YouTube TV on your browser or app, click your profile icon, go to settings, memberships, and find NFL Sunday Ticket to confirm if auto renewal is enabled. If auto renewal is off or you want to switch plans, simply click Manage, choose your preferred payment plan, either full payment or monthly installments, and confirm your renewal. And you can even bundle with NFL Red Zone for every Sunday touchdown. Once renewed, you'll get full access to out-of-market Sunday games, local and national broadcasts, plus features like multi-view, DVR, and on-demand games, so you never miss a moment. And that's it. Renewing NFL's Sunday Ticket on YouTube TV is quick and easy. Subscribe for more streaming tips and get ready for another season full of touchdowns and unforgettable plays